Welcome back to Picket Built. Let's get to work.
So we are out here getting some work done on this Z, changing the fluids out, and we're gonna set these little mounts up with some padding before we put the fenders back on.
It's not a, extra quart deal.
Little fatherly help changing the oil. Fresh oil. So this is just some 3M actual marine padding that I'm gonna stick on here for padding on the fenders. So I taped up the edges just so when I bring the fenders out, I don't want to scratch anything, just in case I have trouble fitting it on there. Okay, what I've learned is that these bolts here on the inside, I had to take the valence off to get to those bolts, and other than that we are just getting some alignment issues taken care of, and we'll finish bolting these off and get the other side. Oh, is that for me? Mariel, that's your mom.
No.
Here, give that to your mom.
Okay. Is it? Oh.
New bolts all the way down. A little bit open right there, but panel gap looks pretty good. Pretty even on both sides, so all we have left is a rear hatch and window to install. And let's move on up here to the front. Last missing piece to the puzzle. We have a xenon front air dam to install, and we will go through the steps to install and have this all painted up next time.
Well, that's it for this week. See you guys in the next one.